Have you guys done MAT homework? Yeah, I already done half, but I found that certain question is a little bit hard to solve. Yeah, actually, I have a few questions to ask you, Atira, because I don't know. Sarah, ya Allah! It's okay, leave the ice. What you guys want to eat this evening? I already hungry. Yeah, me too. I don't know. Hey! Wow, this ice is doesn't melted yet. How long do you guys think this ice will fully melted? Now, we will explain about what is related rates and solve the problems. Let's go!
Related rates problems in calculus deal with finding how the rate of change of one quantity is related to the rate of change of another related quantity. This typically involves scenarios where multiple variables are changing with respect to time, and we need to find how these changes are interconnected. What is related rate? Related rates involve finding the derivatives of quantities that are interdependent. In these problems, we are often given the rates of change of certain variables and asked to find the rate of change of another variable that is related to them. These relationships are usually described by equations involving these variables.
In physics, physicians using related rates to calculate the velocities, accelerations, or other motion related to quantity. Other than that, engineering also using a related rates to analyze changes in dimensions or volumes of objects. Moreover, economics also using related rates to study how different economic variables change with respect to each other over time. Lastly, biologicians investigate growth rates, reaction rates, or population dynamics.
There are a lot of situations that we can apply application of differentiation. For example,
a block of ice in the shape of a hollow cylinder have the original outer radius is 1.5 cm and the inner radius is 1 cm. It is melting so that the length of its edges decreases at a constant rate of 0.2 cm per minute. Determine the rate of change in volume of the ice block is decreasing.
first step is
We need to list all the information given in the question. In the question given, it states that the outer radius is 1.5 cm, while the inner radius is 1 cm, and the height decreases at a rate of 0.2 cm per minute. Next, we need to determine the formula of volume of the open cylinder, which is volume equal to pi multiplied by h multiplied by capital R square minus small r square. After that, we need to differentiate this formula with respect to time by using implicit formula, which is it should be dv over dt equal to pi multiplied by capital R square minus small r square multiplied by dh over dt.
and the second step is
We know that the change of height per time is 0.2 cm per minute, so we can let it as dh over dt equals to negative 0.2 cm per minute. Since the height decreasing, the dh dt should be in negative form. So now, we can substitute the value given in the differentiated formula. dv over dt equal to pi multiplied by 1.5 square minus 1 square and multiplied by negative 0.2. After that, we will get dv over dt equals to pi multiplied by 2.25 minus 1 and multiplied by negative 0.2. The answer is negative 0.25 cm per minute.
the last one is
Thus, the rate at which the volume of the ice block is decreasing at dV over dt equals to negative 0.25 pi cm3 per minute.
But we have another method to calculate dV/dt by using chain rule formula. First step is
From the situation given, we need to create a formula. In this situation, we can form dV over dt equals to dV over dH multiplied by dH over dt.
second step is
We need to differentiate formula of volume, which is volume equals to pi times height times 1.25, and it should be dV over dH equals to 1.25 pi times 1, which is equals to 1.25 pi.
and the last one is
Substitute dV over dH that we just found into the formula that we formed in the first step. It should be dV over dt equals to 1.25 pi multiplied by negative 0.2, and we will get the answer is negative 0.25 pi cm3 per minute.
In conclusion of this event, we can say that related rates does have real-life application in certain scenarios. For example, the one that we have presented, which is about a block of ice is melting. We need to find the rate of change in volume of the ice block. By this calculation, we can conclude differentiation method is used to compute the rate of change. In addition, understanding of question is vital for us to answer the question very well. Instead of that, we can apply this method in our daily lives if we understand what is related rates. We are really grateful because we managed to complete this video presentation within the time given by our lecturer, Dr. Shamsatun Nahar. This assignment is impossible to be done without the amazing cooperation and effort from our group members Atira, Shahinda and Sarah. We also seriously thank our lecturer of Calculus 1, Dr. Shamsatun Nahar, for the guidance and willingness to help us in what we are lacking when completing this assignment, and surely for teaching us this course. Last but not least, we would like to express our gratitude to our family members who keep on encouraging us all this time.